That staggering new number, the steep rise in COVID hospitalizations in the U.S. Now 4 times more than what the U.S. was seeing last fall. 1 in 4 cases in children. And that new variant, the Mu variant, now reported in at least 28 states. As millions of students go back to school, concern growing over the numbers, authorities are now seeing new case rates among children, surpassing that of adults. Child hospitalizations now at their highest point yet. About 365 children admitted to the hospital for COVID every day. And of course, the school board meetings, the fights over masks and law enforcement now needed in some places. In Pleasant Hill, Missouri, deputies breaking up a dispute. More than 100,000 adults hospitalized for COVID tonight. The Pentagon now sending in help for hospitals in 3 states, Alabama, Arkansas, and Idaho. In fact, our cameras with EMS crews in Boise, that city's chief paramedic now calling this a, quote, really long mass casualty incident. They see nearly all of their patients are unvaccinated. Tonight, 73% of people 12 years and older have now received 1 dose of the vaccine. President Biden will address the nation tomorrow on the virus, and Dr. Jha is standing by right here tonight on this new variant and on boosters. Are they coming? ABC's Kaylee Hartung leading us off from Boise tonight.
Tonight, the country heading into the fall with 4 times more patients fighting COVID in hospitals than a year ago, over 100,000. In Idaho, one of the least vaccinated states, some hospitals now rationing care as a last resort, running out of critical equipment, space, and staff, forced to make tough decisions on who gets treated first.
We don't have enough staff. Nurses are leaving because they're burned out, and we simply don't have enough people. We don't have the manpower to take care of these patients.
Paramedics in Boise telling us nearly every patient with COVID symptoms they're taking to the hospital is unvaccinated.
This is the busiest EMS station in the state of Idaho, and there they go, out on another call.
This COVID virus has been kind of like a really long mass casualty incident that just goes on and on and on. And so it's been definitely tough on my people.
And with each day, mounting concern for the millions of children back in the classroom.
If they can't be vaccinated, you can help by getting yourself vaccinated to protect that child who can't be vaccinated.
1 in 4 new COVID cases are now in children. 2,200 kids are fighting the virus in hospitals. In Georgia, 4-year-old Addison Wisher dying from COVID a day after she was diagnosed while she was recovering from surgery. Ushri Bhattacharya and her husband teach at the University of Georgia. They worry about bringing the virus home to their 5-year-old daughter who has a rare medical condition. The associate professor pleading with the Board of Regents for mandatory masks on campus. This weekend's football game could draw 92,000 fans to the Bulldogs Stadium.
What will I do if something happens to her? Will the board be giving me an answer then? I'm begging them to do the right thing. Enough of politics, enough ideology. Let's make good scientific decisions.
In Pleasant Hill, Missouri, deputies breaking up a dispute over masks when a school board passed a new mask mandate.
We need to go back to a mask mandate with the way that the virus is spreading and how it's affecting children now.
In Miami-Dade County, Florida, the teachers union reporting 13 school district staffers have died of COVID in the last 3 weeks. Officials say none of them were vaccinated. Tomorrow, President Biden is expected to lay out a 6-step strategy to boost vaccinations and stop the spread of the Delta variant. Just as experts are closely tracking a new rare variant called Mu, now confirmed in 28 states. Early evidence suggests it might be more resistant to vaccines. But today, Dr. Fauci making it clear Delta is still by far the most troublesome variant in the U.S.
We have Mu here, and it's getting suppressed by Delta. Delta's 99+% in the United States.
And Kaylee Hartung joins us now from Idaho. And Kaylee, it's certainly not just Idaho when it comes to children and what they're seeing across this country. Authorities now reporting new case rates among children now surpassing that of adults.
Yeah, that's right, David. Children between the ages of 5 and 17, they're getting infected at a higher rate than any other age group. And since school started back in July, 960,000 children have tested positive for COVID. David.
All right, Kaylee Hartung tonight. Kaylee, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.